Hello guys, this is my first aid kit and I won't go camp out without it. So here's the list of what's inside. So let's open it. Scissor, magnesium flint for fire starter, a whistle in case I'm lost. There's a pin for bandage, the bandage itself, a triangular bandage, an emergency blanket to prevent hypothermia. This one. A hand pushing flashlight, I think this is a tweezer. Medicines like Imodium, Advil, this one, BioFlu. EDC, this one, stainless EDC. Alcohol swabs, this one. Cotton buds. What else? I have here cleansing wipes. It's the same as alcohol. A betadine, plaster, tourniquet, and ice pack. There's more. Band-aid here. Sterile gauge. And band-aid. That's it.